A grand estate can serve as homage to the architect, the interior decorator, or even the landscape designer long after they are gone. This Tuscan-style villa in the heart of Los Angeles' lower Bel-Air neighborhood is in many ways a tribute to all three. Set behind hand-forged gates, the residence is accessed by a circular motor court, a dramatic beamed ceiling foyer with terracotta and white marble flooring sets the tone for the classic villa. The formal living room is a study in detail with its ornate hand-painted beam ceiling and one of the home's 6 carved stone fireplaces. Floor-to-ceiling arched French doors open to a veranda with a fountain and flowering vines. The formal dining room is encased with floor-to-ceiling windows and French doors that access a loggia. A large, intricately painted skylight tops the coved ceiling in the paneled library, which is lined with red-hued cabinetry sealed with 17 coats of lacquer. A standout space among the 10,607 square feet of interiors is the orangery, an elegant room for entertaining with vaulted glass ceilings, marble floors, and a brasserie-style bar. Tall arched windows look out onto the gardens. The primary bedroom suite looks like it came out of a Palladian villa in the Veneto region of Italy, with its hand-painted frescoes that adorn the domed ceiling, walls, and wood floors. The suite's arched French doors open to a private patio with a fountain. Dual bathrooms, cedar-lined walk-in closets, and a sitting area with a fireplace complete the space. Stairs lead to the second floor with additional bedroom suites and a family room featuring an exposed wood beam ceiling, a fireplace, and a terrace. The lower level contains a brick-walled wine cellar and tasting room. Additional features include a 4-car garage, a bonus space, 2 offices, and a gym with a bathroom for a total of 6 bedrooms and 9 bathrooms. A tiled swimming pool, a sunken grotto spa, and fountains also grace the 1-acre property. The park-like grounds, which include expansive lawns, formal gardens, and specimen trees, are part of the legacy of landscape designer David Jones. Built in the late 1920s, the residence is credited to early architect Mark Roy Daniels, who was a master planner for Bel-Air and influenced by his travels abroad. The interiors are from the creative mind of the 1980s influencer Khalef Alatin, who employed artisans from Tuscany and the Amalfi Coast to give the villa an authentic Italian ambiance. The home was sold for $35 million in July 2022 by Hilton and Highland Real Estate Group.